Guys, first time checking it out. Whoa! What the
Go yet. We have to let Brandon do it. We have to let Brandon do it.
A sledgehammer? I'm probably gonna buy that. What is all of this? I have no clue why they made a ring about it. We're not ever gonna use it, but okay. Okay, gotta put on all of this stuff before they disappear, because sometimes they like to do that for no dang old reason. Another swing shot. They're finally bringing back the swing shots, eh? Eh? Bad hat. This just makes you look like that you're a poop monkey. Here's the thing that I like. Sledgehammer time!
Yo, don't put guys. Hey, let Brandon do it. Bro, Brandon.
Whoa, but no, do not say anything, Kaiten. I'm recording right now. I'm checking out the cosmetics. Do not come here.
Brandon, do you know the new Dodger Prime? Yeah. I got it. I just got it. My mom just got it for me. How good is it? It's actually good, bro. It tastes good. What does it taste like? It kind of tastes like strawberry mixed with a little bit of blue raspberry. I've never had.
I'm drinking lava. Ain't no way. I'm drinking lava.
Bro, Brandon, we're
back. Nice lava monkey shirt. You cannot really see the gorilla fist because you could kind of see this, of course, from there. The gorilla fist can sense it's kind of blocked off because of my mask. Astronaut monk. I'm a true astronaut monkey now. Don't mess with me or you gonna get the beat down. All I just gotta say is you're not a good idea, person. Cool hat. Another umbrella added to my collectible list. I must collect all umbrellas in existence. Anyways, let's run back in the code.
I'll be lava monkey. Psych. Shoot some threes. Ballin' like Curry. Ballin' like Curry.
I shall become the lava.
Don't tag him.
The lava shall consume. A couple more, come on, it's almost flooded. A couple more. Yes.
He's dead.
Whoa! Ah! Everything looks so much cool while you're underneath the lava.
Dog.
Wops, look at me.
Ow! I hit something. I see you.
No, run. I didn't even have to tag you. You just got tagged.
Hold on. Be right back.
Don't you dare, Alan. Don't you dare. Alan. No. No. No.
Now is you.
No.
Bro, stop shooting. Bro, you're tag lag. I almost peed my pants. I had to pee so bad. Then go to the bathroom, PB boy.
That's what he did. Are you stupid?
Then go to the bathroom, dumbass.
Alan, how do you feel? This is the second time that I call you dumb.
Don't mess with the phone. dumbass.
Hey guys, I'm going to be doing 2 videos at once. I'm going to be doing a Forest Lava video too.
See, boy? That's right. You're gonna fall into the lava, dumbass. Nope. See, you dumbass.